There's some of something you can give us a little taste of?
What do we got?
No, you.
Millions of peaches.
Peaches for me.
Millions of peaches.
Peaches for free.
Look out!
And how incredible is it to be playing Daphne? I'm so excited! I am so excited. I love Daphne. I dressed up as her like for 2 or 3 Halloweens. I'm obsessed with Daphne. She's my favorite character. I'm so beyond. Yeah, I'm ecstatic.
I've always wanted to do this.
I've never seen a puppy before, so I'm very excited.
Never seen a dog before in my life.
Never in my life. Anybody else who would give spoilers, not me.
That was busy part. Half them all make sense.
I liked whenever we walked out of the site and there was thousands of women standing outside and some men, but they were all screaming, "Ah, it's Chris!" And they were screaming and some were crying and I told him to wave and he said okay and he waved and all of them started crying.
Get ready, you're next. It's gonna be happening to you.